Yeah, welcome. This is your boy ttaphisco, the Crypto Huddle. Thank you for joining me. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. Thanks for subscribing. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so, as that will help my channel. Thank you. Today I want to talk about SundaeSwap and how to prepare for the big stake pool offering. You know what I mean? As of right now, there's voting going on to find out who will be the stake pool providers. This is currently what's going on right now. So in order for you to vote, you need a NAMI wallet. You can use the Euro, but it's a little bit more complicated. But it looks like the NAMI wallet is very popular and quite important when it comes to SundaeSwap. So I just want to demonstrate how to download it and basically how to use it. I mean, it's quite simple. So as you can see, the NAMI wallet is a browser extension. I have not seen it on the phone app yet. You know what I mean? It's a browser extension. If you're using Chrome, you click here. If you're using Brave browser, you click here. If you're using Edge, you click here. As of right now, I'm using Chrome, so I'm gonna click here to basically get my NAMI wallet. You see what I'm saying? So actually I have it already, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove it, basically add it again, add extension. So if you've never had it, you're gonna have to add it in. Checking, and it is done. Basically you will come over here and basically you'll see the NAMI wallet right there. After you do that, I'm gonna put this thing down here. Then you click I want a new wallet. I accept, then press continue. So as of right now, this is for demonstration purposes. So as of right, punching in to basically, these are the words with numbers on their side that you will be punching in to basically start your wallet. So what I'm gonna write it down, put it somewhere, but as far as this video is concerned, I'm just gonna take a picture of it. But you want to write these letters down, these words down, because they're very important, because that's what you will need to recover your wallet. You know what I mean? So let's click here, click next. So the first word, what really sucks is that you have to type them all in. You see what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna sit my phone down here and just type them in. So that's it. Voila. Click next. Account name, I would say the huddle, the Crypto Huddle. Then password, I'll choose my own password. This is just a dummy password. And create. That's it. Now I do have a NAMI wallet, showing 0 Ether. You can only transfer Ether here. I can receive, I can send, view asset history, and then if I want to go to for example, let's say I go to SundaeSwap. And then if I want to vote, this is currently the voting that's actually going on. As you can see, it automatically recognizes the NAMI wallet. So this is a very important wallet here. So yeah, so that's all I have to say. For you to vote, you have to have 2 Ether, and then you can do the voting and select who you want. But the purpose of the video was just to demonstrate this wallet here. And I hope this is helpful. If you don't have your NAMI wallet yet, go grab one. I think the Euro will work as well, because the team has demonstrated that it works with the Euro wallet, and I do have a video about that as well. But as of right now, there is no stake pool selected yet, just to let you know. As soon as it does, we'll let you know. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell, the notification bell, that way I can notify you as soon as anything happens. All right. Thank you guys, and I really appreciate you. Peace out.